How to remove filter from TikTok video. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now you need to press and hold the capture button over here to record a video. Once you are done, release the button. Now tap onto this arrow from the side panel and select the filter option from this menu. You will see number of filters appear at the bottom. Tap on any of it. You can adjust the tone from here. Once you have added the filter, get back to this page. Now to remove this filter, tap onto this arrow from the side panel and go to the filter option from the menu. Now tap onto this none icon on the left side of your screen. It will remove the filter from your video. As you can see, the video is back to normal. So by following these steps, you can easily remove filter from TikTok video.